Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use OnePay Debit Card at Walmart. Start by opening the OnePay app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, look for the section called Card Details. Tap on it to continue. Here, you will see the option to activate your card. Tap on Activate Card to begin the process. Now, enter the required information. Type in the last 4 digits of your card number. After that, enter the expiration date exactly as it appears on your card. Double-check the details to make sure everything is correct. Once done, confirm the activation. Your OnePay debit card is now ready to use. Next, if you want to shop online at Walmart, open the Walmart app on your phone. Browse and add items to your cart as you normally would. When you are ready to pay, go to the checkout page. In the payment section, choose to add a new payment method. Enter your OnePay debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Save the card to your account. Then select this card as your payment method and complete your purchase. If you are shopping at a Walmart store, you will need your physical OnePay card. Go to the payment terminal at checkout. Insert your card into the terminal when prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to enter your PIN to confirm the payment. Wait for the transaction to be approved. Once the payment is complete, take your card and receipt. Thanks for watching.